Welcome to Nandakchi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna make a chocolate lava cake for you. Let's get started. Lukewarm milk, instant coffee. Mix thoroughly. Sugar, melted butter, vanilla. Whisk a little. Add the coffee milk mixture. Flour. Cacao powder. Baking powder. Whisk thoroughly. Pour into a suitable mold. Chocolate tablet. Bake for 15 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, that's all for today. Enjoy your fresh cake. Thank you for watching and happy baking.